When you want to think in English instead of translating from your native language, you need to train your brain to directly connect ideas with English words, phrases, and patterns. Translation slows you down and often makes sentences sound unnatural. So, the goal is to build comfort and fluency with English as your default thought language. The first step is to surround yourself with English as much as possible. Listen to English songs, podcasts, or news daily, even if you don't understand everything. The more you hear natural sentences, the more your brain gets used to the rhythm and structure. Reading simple English stories, articles, or dialogues helps you see how words connect naturally. Start practicing with small, everyday thoughts. For example, instead of thinking, I am hungry, in your native language and then translating, train yourself to directly say it in English in your mind. You can begin with common situations like planning your day, describing what you see around you, or reminding yourself of tasks in English. At first, keep sentences short and simple. Over time, your brain will automatically link feelings, actions, and ideas with English words.
Another powerful way is to talk to yourself in English, even quietly. If you are walking, you can think, I am walking to the shop, the weather is hot today, or I need to buy bread. These little self-talk practices reduce the habit of translating. Writing a daily journal in English also helps, because it forces you to form thoughts directly in the language.
You should also focus on learning chunks of English instead of single words. For example, instead of memorizing, take separately, learn expressions like take a break, take care, or take a chance. This makes your speaking more natural and reduces mental translation because you already have ready made sentences in your mind. Accept that mistakes will happen and don't stop to overcorrect yourself. Fluency comes when you let thoughts flow, even if they are not perfect. The more you practice thinking directly in English, the less you will depend on your native language. Over time, your brain will automatically switch, and English will feel like a natural tool for expressing ideas without translation. Please like and subscribe.